So apparently, baby Tweets is having a trouble. Show him. Show them. Baby Tweets, show them. No, not first there. I'll give you a seed if you do it. Come here. Come here. Come here. It's a baby treat. Silly! What are you doing? And this baby tweets. Tweets, show them. I'm gonna show them myself. Oh my god. No, never mind. It's here. So you see his foot. Oh, that's gonna hurt. See? So apparently he was tangled by this. He was supposed to be here and he got stuck by this string. And string was so tight he was like Spider-Bird. Are you Spider-Bird? Silly! Yeah, that's good. Baby. And his nail was bleeding. I don't know. Maybe in the foot or the toes. And now this is him now. Poor bird. And she kept it. Kiss, kiss. So cute. So sweet. Are you sweet, baby beats? So, here's the cutie. Cutie. That's the end of the video. Okay, Tweet, say goodbye.